the first step that we took to alter our house to make it Tesla ready. So check it out. The first thing that we had to do to get ready. Don't make me tickle you. Okay, so the first thing that we had to do to get ready for our Tesla is take down a massive 100-year-old tree. This tree was weirdly placed in the middle of our driveway, and we share driveways with our neighbors, so it's right smack dab in the middle. But it was more on our side, so we couldn't use our driveway to get back to the garage. We had to go into our neighbor's driveway to get back there.
Let me see it.
Please?
Please.
So we had to use our neighbor's driveway to get back there. And that's like not so much a problem, but this tree was giving us issues all the time. So every season it would drop something new on us. This past summer it dropped walnuts on us, so much so that both the Kia and the Fusion are both dented, like all over the place. Not like huge dents, but enough that you can notice. And that's just crazy, and that was not something that I was gonna have happen when we have a Tesla. And then the other reason is that we were having like some leaking happening in our house, and we couldn't figure out what it was. And then we had a contractor come out, and he said that it was because our gutters were full. And our gutters have been filling up so fast because of all the junk that gets dropped from this tree. And then squirrels were actually storing their nuts in our gutters. And then also, like, ever since we bought our house, we've been talking and planning on taking down the tree because we think that it'll add more value to our house. Our neighbors rent their house, and who knows when they're gonna move, and they're awesome. We decided we might as well take it down while they're here rather than take the chance that new neighbors move in and say that we can't share their driveway with them. And so this is the video of that process. It's pretty sweet when this massive tree falls, so check it out. Like so happy to have it gone. I mean, there were probably 6 or 7 squirrel nests in this tree. So happy to have it gone. And there's so much sunshine in the house, and now we can park our Tesla safely without worrying about squirrels throwing walnuts at it. So check out the video, it's pretty sweet. See ya.